Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Blendtec Total Blender Classic, a powerhouse in the world of kitchen appliances. We'll cover its design, performance, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your investment. Let's start with the design. The Blendtec Total Blender Classic is a large capacity blender, boasting a 75-ounce jar that's surprisingly lightweight at just over 7 pounds. It's designed for ease of use with a utilitarian look, featuring a backlit LCD timer and intuitive controls including 10 speeds, pulse mode, and 6 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, batters, hot soup, whole juice, ice cream, and ice crush. Now, onto performance. This blender shines brightest when making smoothies and dips like hummus. Thanks to its 1560-watt motor, it effortlessly pulverizes frozen fruits and tough ingredients into silky smooth textures. Making hummus? It's a breeze, achieving creamy consistency in under a minute. However, it does struggle a bit with crushing ice, leaving some chunks despite its power. In terms of usability, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic is straightforward. The controls are easy to understand, and the jar's wide opening makes it convenient to clean. However, the corners of the jar can be tricky to scrub thoroughly. So, is the Blendtec Total Blender Classic worth it? If you're a smoothie enthusiast or love making dips like hummus, absolutely. It excels where it counts, though it's not flawless with ice and can be noisy. Compared to other high-end blenders, it offers good value with its performance and capacity. That wraps up our review of the Blendtec Total Blender Classic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.